Take your knees wide, big toes touch, and press your seat back towards your heels for extended child's pose. Bring your forehead down and soften for 3 breaths. Then roll your toes under, come back to downward facing dog, press your hips up and back. Let your gaze rest back between your feet. If you need to move at all, you can pedal out your legs, move your head side to side. Press your chest back towards your thighs, tops of your thigh bones back, and drop your heels closer toward the ground. Separate your feet mat distance apart so they're nice and wide, and then walk your hands back just 1/3 of the way. Bring your right hand to the outside of your left ankle or calf and look underneath your left shoulder. Come back through center, ground your right hand. Left hand to the outside of your right ankle or calf, and you can look underneath your shoulder. Ground your hand. Walk your hands all the way back towards your feet and sit into Yogi Squat, Upaviyasana, placing your hands at your heart, lifting the crown of your head up. If you have a block at home or any pillows, you're welcome to drop your seat down or just stay as you are, pressing your elbows into your knees, pulling your chest up, and lifting your breath up underneath your collarbones. You could close your eyes or soften your gaze. Draw your breath in and out of your nose. And take a moment to pause, to root, to ground.